Welcome back to Kamal Kunj Home Academy, Japanese for beginners. In this session, we'll learn about how to read and write katakana scripts. As discussed in session 1, the pronunciations of both hiragana as well as katakana are same. So in this session, we'll mainly focus on how to write katakana scripts. So let us start. A line katakana, that is vowels. These are 5 vowels of katakana. Stroke order are stroke number 1, stroke number 2, here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. Pronounce as A, E, U, A, and O. So these are A line katakana, that is vowels. A, E, U, A, O. Next is K line katakana. These are K line katakana. Stroke order are stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, number 2, stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1 and stroke number 2. These are pronounced as ka, ki, ku, ke, and ko. K line katakana, ka, ki, ku, ke, ku. Next is S line katakana. Here is line katakana, stroke order are stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, and stroke number 2. Here stroke number 1 and stroke number 2. So these are S-line katakana pronounced as sa, si, su, se, and so. Sa, si, su, se, so. Next is T-line katakana. These are T-line katakana. Stroke order are stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, number 2, and stroke number 3. Sorry. Stroke number 3, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3, stroke number 1, stroke number 2. So these are T-line katakana pronounced as ta, chi, su, te, and to. These two are exceptions, chi and su. So they are ta, chi, su, te, and to. These are T-line katakana. Next is N-line katakana. These are N-line katakana. Stroke order are stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, and stroke number 2, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3, stroke number 4. This is singular stroke. these are pronounced as na, ni, nu, ne, and no. So these are M line katakana, na, ni, nu, ne, no. Next is H line katakana. Here H line katakana stroke order are stroke number 1, number 2, stroke number 1, stroke number 2. This is singular stroke. This is also singular stroke. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, number 3, stroke number 4. So these are H line katakana pronounced as ha, he, fu, he, and ho. Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Next is M line katakana. These are M line katakana. Stroke order are stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 3. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, stroke number 2. Here stroke number 1, stroke number 2, and stroke number 3. So these are M line katakana pronounced as ma, mi, mu, me, and mo. Next is Y line katakana. Only 3 characters. Y line katakana. Stroke order are stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, stroke number 2, stroke number 1, number 2, and stroke number 3. So these are Y line katakana pronounced as ya, you, yo. Ya, you, you. Now we will stop here and continue further in the next session with further katakana of group 1. Till then, goodbye and thanks for watching.